Mastering percentages. Your key to the GMAT Arithmetic. Hello, aspiring GMAT champions. Today, we are diving deep into an essential topic in the GMAT quantitative reasoning section: percentages. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident about tackling percentage-related questions. Let's get started. Percentages are a way to express numbers as a fraction of 100. The term percent comes from the Latin phrase percentum, which means by the hundred. So when you see 50%, it essentially means 50 out of 100, or half. Converting between percentages, decimals, and fractions is crucial for GMAT. To convert a percentage to a decimal, divide by 100. For instance, 25% is equivalent to 25,100, frac. 25, 100, 10,025 or 0.25. To convert a percentage to a fraction, place the percentage over 100. Example: 25% is 25,100, frac. 25, 100, 10,025, which simplifies to 14, frac. 1, 4, 41. To calculate a percentage: 1. Divide the part by the whole. 2. Multiply the result by 100. For example, if 15 out of 60 students passed an exam, the percentage that passed is 1,560 times 100 equals 25, frac. 15, 60. Times 100 equals 25%. 6015 times 100 equals 25. Understanding how to determine percentage increases and decreases is vital. Percentage increase: new value minus original value times 100, frac. Text, new value, text, original value, text, original value, times 100 original value new value minus original value times 100. Percentage decrease: original value minus new value original value times 100, frac. Text, original value, text, new value, text, original value, times 100 original value minus new value times 100. So, if a product originally costing $50 is now priced at $60, the percentage increase is 60 minus 5,050 times 100 equals 20, frac. 60 to 50, 50, times 100 equals 20%. 5060 minus 50 times 100 equals 20. And there you have it. A crash course on mastering percentages for the GMAT. Remember, practice is the key. Work on as many percentage problems as you can to solidify your understanding. We hope this video helps you ace the quantitative reasoning section. Best of luck, and keep striving for success.